Hola amigos, seguimos con la videoguía del Lollipop Chainsaw en The Shadow Hunters. Recordemos que en el último episodio la animadora Juliet había cortado la cabeza a su novio con la motosierra porque así cree que puede solucionar temporalmente su problema de que le haya mordido un zombie y evitar que se convierta en uno. Vamos a ver qué pasa ahora.
Nick.
Oh. Julia? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Julia, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
Nick, I had to.
Oh God! Oh fuck! Oh God! Where's my fucking body? Oh fuck!
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed, a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
Well, there's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck!
Don't hate me!
Oh, come on! What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Another stupid zombie? Something exploded. What the hell was that?
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
This kind of math sucks.
Hoy, alumnos míos, daremos la resta. Si esta mata 4 zombies y somos 5 en la clase, ¿cuántos quedan?
this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack shit! We should help them, right?
Don't worry, I'll take care of them.
Leave me alone! Get away! Help! Let's go hang out after school.
No lo creo. Lleva el novio colgando de la falda.
I fucked up my math test. I need help. I never thought I'd be saved by someone with such great tits.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again. He gave me a D last week. Kill him. Fuck! I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
Stay back! Get off! Ah!
Whoa! That was close!
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick! We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just like this.
Whoa, whoa, this feels weird. Fluid stuff.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ah!
The very best kind, too. Nick, look. If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
I found something.
You're late, Juliet.
Serás desagradecida. Mira que tengo una motosierra entre las manos.
Oh, great, those jerks trapped us here.
How lame. Thanks a lot. What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Fucking lame.
A zombie with a gun? No fair.
Dying hurts so bad.
Piss off.
Oh man, their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode. Fun!
How was that fun?
Venga ya.
Oh my god!
What the heck is this?
Those zombies totally pulled my underwear up my butt.
Oh, watch out!
Look what those jerks did to our school!
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus homework on Friday. Gum!
I'll be back for you!
Uncool, asshole!
Qué bonito, qué bonito.
I got video. I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube.
Mira, en eso llevas razón. Esto va directo al YouTube.
Stop! Stop!
That's the dude who stranded us. Now he's getting what he deserves.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick!
Or we could.
This can't be happening.
No! Gum!
I'll be back for you!
Uncool, asshole!
that video, I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube.
Piss off!
Stop! Stop!
That's the dude who stranded us. Now he's getting what he deserves.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick.
Or we could.
Juliet, I'm so totally gonna masturbate to you tonight.
Menudo salido que estás hecho.
So what are you gonna do now, Juliet?
Watch me, Nick.
Juliet, where are we going?
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well,
Osegoi, watashi mo Nihiko o hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese. The best calories.
There's something else written. It says zombie basketball. Time limit 3 minutes. You lose and blam. What? The game's already started.
Zombie basketball. Time you're killing them zombies. How many points can you rack up? It seems like a one-sided game. 3 points.
What do we have here this time? Basketball? Why basketball? Just don't throw my head into the hoop.
Time to get to work.
Nice shot.
Lay out to dead, you.
3 points. Fantastic. Fantastic. Nice shot. Nice shot. Fantastic. Nice shot. Nice shot. Fantastic. Nice shot. Nice shot. Fantastic. Nice turnaround. The zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Where's that voice coming from?
We need to get out of here. Emergency. Emergency.
Ready? Go!
Rock and roll. Awesome.
Pop it!
You killed it. Kill him before he blows up. Yeah, I had biology in here. I dissected a frog.
Oh, dead frogs.
That's gross. This day is completely unexpected. This day is completely unexpected. Dangerous around the dangerous person. Hey, that's Starsky and Hutch.
You guys have no respect for the badge. I'm gonna F you up. You more than Carrot Top. I'm drooling.
a partir de este momento tenemos problemas con el audio y me he visto obligado a quitarlo. Bueno amigos, no sé si esto es el final del episodio o no, pero vamos a dejarlo por aquí. Si tenéis alguna sugerencia, dejadla en comentarios y si os ha gustado, por favor, ponerlo con un me gusta.